morning, people. I got something for you when it comes to pre-sales, meme-based, and something that has the potential to do a pretty big multiplier after they launch, as they already confirmed the listing on October 17th. Bitcoin right now is doing all right. Fear and greed, pretty much in the middle at around 44, close to 50. And here's one thing. Whenever the market is kind of boring, money accumulates because people are not spending anything. Once the market goes up, there's lots of capital available to be invested, which then goes into various different categories. We have a couple different networks and we have different categories, with memes being pretty much the best performing one in a long enough time frame. Even in the past week alone, everything on here went up by like 20 to 50%. Even meme core went up by 130, and that's while Bitcoin is doing nothing. And we've seen it in pre-sales recently that whenever something launches and they have good marketing, they know the long-term vision, they know how it goes, that they can do like a 10, 20 or 50x right away. And then on a long enough time frame, do like a 200 or even 500x in certain scenarios. Fun fact, when it comes to just coins, ETH used to be sold at 30 cents in 2015. If you could have bought that at 30 cents, you probably would have. That's why I'm focusing on lots of different presets right now, because the predictor price over here is $2.15, but that can also go higher. Now, what is it about? They have a couple different articles that we're going to go through. And by go through, I mean we're going to skim through it and give you the important information over here. It's the first paper with AI yield optimization listing happening in a month from now on October 17th, with the pre-sale finishing phase 1 at the moment and a 1000 ETH auction there. It's called PepeHeimer, and here is what they say on the site. Pretty simple. AI sees what you can't. Price action in this meme market isn't logical. It's emotional, viral, and fast. That's pretty true, would agree with that. That's how their AI combines memetic velocity, community engagement levels, and influencer impact factors to create smarter meme-native forecasting. They set a fair launch price at $2 to reflect the early value of PepeHeimer as a token. Selling at listing is always your choice, but long-term holders are the ones who will benefit most as the ecosystem evolves. Remember, the biggest moves are rarely made on day one. And just in amounts raised and money in here, we're closing in on 30 mil. Which is a lot. So we got 30 mil out of 36.5. We have 2 days left until the pre-sale ends. Depending on when you see this video, this might actually just be 1 day left or the final day. And with them being built on a layer 2 chain, they got 0 fees. They got automatic yield farming under all market conditions, while allowing holders of the token to find hidden gems with one touch. Now the token can be bought on ETH, Arbitrum, or the Binance Smart Chain with a couple different tokens. Let's say you would use the Binance Smart Chain. You can use BNB on that or ETH on the other two. One BNB right now would give you 117,000 tokens, which means if we use 8.5 BNB, you would have 1 million tokens of PepeHeimer. Or in other words, if it goes to $1 or $2 a piece, that will turn into $1 to $2 million alone. The current price is 1.5 cents per token, and with a prediction of $2 or $2.15, that's about a 150x from here. They also said that they already secured some of the best exchanges in the world, including LBank, MEXC, HTX, XT, and some decentralized exchanges like Uniswap as well. And they're also building the PepeHeimer bridge, which is the ultimate cross-chain reactor, making it easy to move assets between different blocks with a lock and mint system, ensuring fast, secure, and seamless transfer, fair and honest listings behind it. And while there is insane volatility for anything blockchain-based, in categories like AI infrastructure, real-world assets, layer 2 solutions, and others, the DeFi sector remains resilient. Maybe it's a sign. Good point. You see, numbers going down, percentage down for these, while the bar on the left side is going up, and that's good. And they are emerging as an AI-driven yield optimization tool, providing users with a smarter automated strategy to maximize profits across DeFi ecosystems, like having a hyper-intelligent, meme-loving friend that automatically farms yield for you without constant monitoring. I like that, especially when I don't have to do any of that and it happens for me. With some magic like AI rebalancing, time efficiency, and some extra tokens we get as a bonus, and lots of YouTubers featuring the project as well, this might be something for you as well. Again, if you want to buy the token, link for that is down below, available on 3 different chains. They've also been audited by Solid Proof over here with a fairly high score of almost 75. With no threats being found, nothing bad happening in here. The contract is not upgradable, ownership is renounced. There can't be high fees set by the owner. Everything is solid. The only 2 findings they have are informational, which is just text they can add to the website and the project. Now, they've also been featured and mentioned their 1000 ETH price pool, which has to do with the insane presale going up in value. The 1000 ETH auction event runs for 10 weeks. Each week, 100 ETH is shared among the top 10 referrers, ranked by the number of successful purchases made through the referral link. Which means when you go over to the site, connect your wallet, and then get your ref link, you will see mine in the description down below, and invite people, you can get a huge amount of ETH yourself just by sharing it with friends and other people that are interested in joining. When you go through different articles, you can see that they first surpassed about 20 mil, then 23 mil, and now at almost 30 mil, they are going up pretty quickly. And with the presale finishing soon and them being listed in a month from now, that makes sense. I will leave some of these down below as well so you can read them for yourself. And again, if you're interested, you can use ETH on Arbitrum or BNB on the Binance Smart Chain, or click on the invite button over here and invite other people to it. Links to everything down below. Make sure to check them out, check out the leaderboard and see how it goes. 80% of all your tokens are unlocked on launch day as well. And with other big listings coming up, this seems pretty solid. We will see how it goes exactly, but if Doge as a, number one meme out there is still at over $36 billion and up 12% in the past week alone, then it's probably time for memes to pick up steam again. Links down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.